What is a physical change? A physical change is a type of change in which one form of matter is altered or transformed into another, but the identity of the substance is not changed. The size can change, the shape can change, but the substance does not lose its identity. That is what we call as a physical change. And physical changes may be reversible. Let us see what I am trying to say, students. Some of the examples of the physical change. The Let me consider the melting of ice, students. Melting of ice. You know, ice is water solid. When you when ice gets some temperature or it is heated, what happens, student? It melts into liquid. The melting of ice into solid to liquid is a physical change. The substance is still H2O in solid as well as in liquid. No new substance has been formed, but the solid water in the solid has been converted into water liquid. The macroscopic change is conversion of solid to liquid. It is an example of a phase change, student. And all the phase changes, the melting of ice, or when you heat the water, when it forms steam, student, these phase changes are examples of the physical changes, because in these changes, the H2O remains as H2O. No new substances have been formed. At the microscopic level, these particles of the water were held by attractive forces. Students, as soon as you apply heat to them or you supply energy to them, they start moving at a faster kinetic energy, and they get converted from solid to liquid phase. So with the addition of small amount of energy, what has happened is there is a change in phase, the melting of ice or the formation of ice, student, from the liquid, which is done in your refrigerator, or when you heat the water. As you can see, the boiling of the water, student, these are all examples where no new substances have been formed, but the matter has changed from one form to another form. In such cases, you can see the size or shape of the matter can change. The size or the shape of the matter can change. See, this was solid, it has become liquid, and when you heat, the water was liquid, it has become water gas. So what is happening, student? When you heat the water liquid gets converted into water gas, student. This is the boiling of the water. Boiling of the water. So in the boiling of water, the liquid water is converted into water gas, students, but water has not dissociated into hydrogen gas or oxygen gas. The substance is still H2O. Melting of ice cube, crushing of a can, shredding of a paper, student. You can take a paper, you fold it, paper, or you tear the paper into two pieces, it is still a paper. No new substances have been formed. Mix sand with water, student. Mix flour, salt and sugar. Chopping of an apple, breaking of a rock. Sublimation is another important process, student, which you experience. Sublimation. You are aware of the dry ice, student. Dry ice, this directly gets converted into the dry ice. You know the sublimation will take place, and what you will get will be the gas, student. So this dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. What you will get, CO2 gas, student. These are some of the examples, student, where what you find that the no new substances have been formed, but the size or shape of the may be changed. For example, student, if you have seen a mercury thermometer, you can see the shining mercury. You put this in hot water, the level of what you will see, the mercury volume increases. The volume of the mercury increases in the thermometer as the temperature rises, students. As the temperature falls, the volume of the mercury drops, student. The volume of the mercury has increased, but the mercury still remains mercury, students. And here, as you can see, what has happened, the mercury is made up of very, very tiny particles of mercury, students. As the temperature rises, they get more energy, and the kinetic energy of these particle increases. They start moving with higher kinetic energy, and there is an expansion of the volume of the mercury when the temperature shoots up. You know that mercury thermometer you are using at home, students. When you have high temperature, you put it and you see the mercury level rises. So the increase in volume has taken place, student, but there is no new substance has been formed. These are all examples of the physical changes. So I can say, student, that in a physical change, the size, the shape of the substance can change, even the color can change. Some of the more examples of physical changes are crystallization. Student, when crystals are formed, no new substance is formed. That was already in the solution. Student, allotropic changes, when one form of allotrop, there are large number of elements which exist in the allotropic forms. You know about that, student. So what will happen when one allotropic form is changed into another? There is only change in arrangement of the particles. What is changing, student? The arrangement of particles is changing. Arrangement of particles is changing. Arrangement of particles is changing, student. No new substances are formed. No new substances are formed, student. So these are allotropic changes, crystallization, or in magnetization. Also, what you find, there is the arrangement of the alignment of the particle is changing. Tempering also, what you are doing, student, when you beat a sheet, it you can change the shape of the sheet. So these are all examples of the physical changes. The key takeaway is that, student, in any physical change, the 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 matter can change its size, matter can change its shape, matter can change its volume, as you have seen in the mercury thermometer, students. But no chemical reaction takes place, no new substances are formed, and some amount of heat, as you can see, has been, some amount of energy is required for these changes. And the result of this is that microscopic the particles change their arrangement. The arrangement of the particles at microscopic level increases as they get more energy, students, or when they lose energy also, you will see the arrangement of these particle changes.